Install beautiful widget pack on Xiaomi devices. Animated widget and pets. Calendar and clock. Weather widget. Let's install. Only support home screen with app drawer. Open settings. My device. Back up and restore. Create new system launcher backup. After backup, open File Manager. MIUI folder. Backup. With Hyper 2.2 and above, need extract zip backup file. Soft by time modified and reserve. Select latest backup file and extract. This is original system launcher backup file of my device. You can copy to another path to save it. Use to return default if you want. Next, get my backup file and description. 131 gigabytes. Copy or move file to MIUI folder. Backup. All backup. Latest backup folder. Apply to all, then replace it. Open settings. Backup and restore. Restore latest backup data. Restore 131 gigabytes data. Remove widget if you want. Backup file and description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.